Family. Testing, mic check, testing. How clear is the audio, guys? Tell me in the comments. So, big up on yourself as usual. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Now, I know see movies you know like. I don't really want to see me attack. But trust me, you know I appreciate the bit of information I pass on to you. So, this is a Zoom recorder courtesy of you guys. Belongs to the Richard Brown Films team. So, I just quickly steal it away so I can test the audio and thank you know, on behalf of Richard Brown Films and team. So, what you're hearing right now is the audio from this, and this audio that you're hearing now is from the camera with the whole environment and everything. So, I don't know how much they paid for it, but thanks. So, the next thing I'm going to get to is emails that I have been receiving. Oh, let me get two other around my neck after I talk about the emails. So yeah, a myriad of emails, persons saying they have scripts. I remember one name in particular, Yannick. Some assistants, whatnot. No, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Like this field of video cinematography is a very expensive one. You get me? And it takes a whole heap of time. And I have zero equipment. So I know a whole heap of people don't know that. So I use this video to point that out so I don't know waste no time and say certain things because like it will take time, it will take characters, it will take money, all of which I not have none of it. I'm a video enthusiast, right? So it's fun to me. How me express myself whenever I go on. Like video for me is more of a personal thing than it is business. You get me? So yeah, me learn as much as me can about the camera, about video, about angles and all that because me like it. Like it's good that it makes some money, but me just I would not be able to complete those scripts or those movies ideas that you guys are sending me. Just don't have the time, and well apart from not having the time, like as me tell them I steal this and go want it for you shortly. Someone sent me this funny joke. This is how I know say a whole lot of people don't understand. A whole lot of the viewers don't understand. Now guys, someone sent me this to do videos. Sorry, but I have to laugh because I know say every video person who are watch me right now, and I hear me say somebody sent me this to do video and probably fall off of them chair. But I hope the individual does not take this as an insult. Them probably don't understand it. Yo, the world of video guys as a whole, it almost almost as unique as policing. Yeah, far more unique than policing. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. So I'm making this video, test the audio of this device, courtesy of you guys, Richard Brown Films. Testing the audio and you can tell me how it sounds in the comments. And again, thanks on behalf of Richard Brown Films and him team. Uh, and also for the persons that are emailing me, say, oh, I would love you to join this film competition. I love you to assist me with making this movie. We don't have no equipment, guys. You see me? And cameras are expensive. Like one camera and a lens, you look at least 250,000 Jamaican dollars. I know it says a whole heap of money. It's an expensive undertaking. Now I like be clueless. I don't even know how to turn on this thing right now. But thanks anyways. Can probably use as prop, like when try capture a certain time period. Say probably back in the days of floppy disk. And if you don't know what floppy disk is, you're very young. But they can probably use to capture like one time period when video was at this stage. So yeah, and I say it's just clear so because this can't film movie guys. There's how am I even going to get the data from off of this to the computer? There is not a USB like AV. Oh man. But yeah guys, and all in all, thank you for the support, thanks for the subscription, thank everybody who have followed me from the first channel to this point. Yo, like really appreciate the support really. But all them emails and requests them is sorry me not gonna be able to fulfill them. Probably not right now. Probably as soon as I get a camera because the cameras at Richard Brown Films, you know, so them use them for them movies. So like say oh Lara for just work quick. So when a camera free, you just run, use it, the way I do upload, So that type. It's not that I don't want to respond to the emails, but there are so many of them, and then repeat the same thing over and over again, and I must understand. So that kind of irritating. So yeah. Uh, how much stone me use kill how much burden now? Testing audio, thanking you guys, giving a little more insight on what the video world is and the amount of effort and money we take for complete videos, not just equipment, but people wise, like the human labor or human resources. So yeah, little more, big up on yourself, me catching with some new videos. Tell me how the audio sound from this thing here. Well then again, me know. He knows about videos and audio. But tell me when you like it though. And that's it. So until then, Larry soon. Look more. We got.